वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु
वाहिगुरु
जी
जी
की
की
फतेह.
फतेह.
Now, first of all, I would like to wish everybody on this auspicious occasion of Baba Nanak Dev Ji's 552nd birth anniversary. Now, one thing I learned today is that everybody should be ready for extempore, because you don't know when you will be asked to speak on what. Now, we had heard Shabad Kirtan today, speeches about, speeches in Hindi, Punjabi, and English. So I don't have too much to say about Baba Nanak Dev Ji, because these children, they have already spoken a lot, and the knowledge Mr. Gurvel Singh has about the great personality, no, a person like me doesn't have, so I cannot deliver that. I'll continue where Mr. Gurvel Singh left today about divinity. Now, we have in our curriculum right from class 3 to class 10, and the teachers, whether it is Mr. Gurvel Singh or Mrs. Harpreet Kaur, they are teaching divinity. And you all are lucky that you are into the habit of spiritual things right from your childhood days till you are in class 10. And then girls in class 11 and 12, they do part daily in the morning, in the evening. So you learn a lot, but the main thing what Guru Nanak Dev Ji said, whether we are following it in our lives or not, that is the important thing. Reading about all the gurus in the book and not following, that means we are not studying divinity. He was such a great personality that he spread love, peace. He was a social reformer. In the speech, Kritika Batra said that he was a social reformer. But are we in a habit of spreading peace and love among ourselves? Now, we all, including me, have a habit that everybody should be good with us. But we never think that are we good to others? So if we are not good to others, how can we expect others to be good with us every time? Now, he was telling you about an example. I will not take too much because I know it is a long time. But he took an example of a boy getting water for Babaji. Now, I am asking, if that child, if you have a glass of water, can this water turn into milk if you pour it to some other container? I don't think anybody can do that. So you can share it with others, or you can give to others what you have inside you. If you have anger inside, you will distribute anger. If you have love inside, you will distribute love. So divinity you have to grasp from inside. What are the preachings? It's not just that you have to pass in your exam, you have to apply everything to your life. Then only your lives will be in good shape in your future. Whichever books he said, it's reading and just appearing for exam will not help you. What is the aim of Guru Nanak 5th Centenary School Society? In the past, you have heard a lot that the main aim is to help you grow as good human beings. not for yourself only, but for your friends, for your families, for the entire society, and ultimately the nation and the world. And that you can do only if you come out of this habit of being selfish. He said, earn not only money, there are other things. Now my so many colleagues are sitting here, whatever they have they are distributing. The English teacher is telling you the knowledge of his English, and the maths teacher is teaching maths. So what you want to give to others, you should fill it in your body, in your soul. Sitting here close to Babaji, doing part every day, and then doing nonsense outside, what all you did in Gurdwara Sahib was wrong. It went in vain. Kirt kar doesn't mean kirtan kar. It means work, not only for you, but for everybody. I will not take too much. In the end, again, I wish all of you a happy Guru Parab. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.